What's up everybody? Welcome back to the GoodView Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and in this video we're going to be going over something really cool. Guess what? We're going to be choosing the winner of the Stone Coat Countertops 1.5 gallon casting epoxy kit. Okay, so my lovely wife took the time to write down all of the people who entered the contest, which is about 300 people. So we have these individual strips, and I'm going to pour them in the bucket here and then mix them with our epoxy drill mixer to get them all mixed up. Now guys, what I wanted to do is I don't want to have any edits or any cuts in here, so you guys know that it's legit, that I'm picking one at random. I don't want anybody to feel like they've been cheated. So that's what we're gonna do. But first off, I want to tell everybody, I want to say Happy Easter, Happy Resurrection Day. I just want to thank everybody just for participating, and I want to say I'm so thankful that God sent His only Son to die on the cross for our sins, and you know, that we get to be with Him one day, and you know, I just wanted to share that with you guys too. So thank you for participating, and thank you for entering the giveaway. So we're going to take these 300 and I'm going to pour them into this bucket. Okay, there's all 300 in there. And can you see inside the bucket? Okay, we'll take our drill and we'll go ahead and mix them up. Let's turn the speed down. Get them all mixed up. Remember to scrape the bottom and the sides of the container so they don't get any unmixed epoxy when you're stirring. We're going to stir for 3 minutes. I'm just kidding. We're not going to stir for 3 minutes. Okay, that's enough mixing. And I'll close my eyes. Actually, honey, do you want to reach in and grab one?
Sure.
All right, here she's going to reach in and grab one. I don't know if you can see down in there. All right. Hand me this one. Okay, so the winner is Matt Johnson. Okay, so Matt Johnson, do me a favor. You have 48 hours from right now to claim your prize. All you have to do is go to goodviewwoodworks.com and send me an email with your name, and I'll actually go down in the comments of the last video, the giveaway video, and I will tag you and say, hey, you won, in a comment. But I want you to go to my website, fill out the in the contact us section where the email portion is, fill out an email and send it to me. Okay, so guys, thanks for everyone who entered the giveaway. I really appreciate it. It's been a lot of fun, and we should do some other giveaways soon. Coming up on this channel, we'll be doing giveaways quite often, and I want you guys to understand, remember, you're only going to get notified when I post a video if you click the subscribe button and also ring the bell to the right of the subscribe button and select all notifications. What I've been noticing is that only about between 4 and 6% of my subscribers are even seeing my videos. So I have about 22,000 of you guys have subscribed to me, which is super cool and awesome and all that, and it's really great. Problem is, I don't think you guys are seeing the videos because I'm only getting about, I don't know, 500 views for the last video, so I know that you guys just aren't able to see it. So do me a favor, click the subscribe button, ring the bell, select all notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. And that way, you know when I post a video, and you guys can have a chance to win something else. So we'll be doing giveaways every once in a while on this channel, and I don't want you guys to miss out. All right? Well, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and doing all the different things. But most of all, thanks for hanging out with us.